attracting, developing, and retaining effective teachers. Uh, for attracting and developing and retaining teachers in the profession is a basic need for the for running an institution efficiently. It is demand of an institution. Rather, we can take it as the demand of the nation. If the nation is really attracting and developing and retaining the good teachers, it means that nation is very serious about the future of that of next generation, and the education system would definitely be basing upon this type of the things that will ensure that the with the good teachers the effective system of the learning or the educational process will be effective. So the basic thing for the for in making the teaching profession as an attractive is to raise the status of the teachers and to make the teacher education programs quality based, and to make the teacher training programs or the teacher education programs integral part of the higher education system. It means that the future teachers doing their bachelor's degree, BS or B.Ed, in departments of education and the colleges of education, they are students of the teacher education. Simultaneously, that they are teachers of the higher education. So they must not be trained only or the limited to the teacher training or the teacher education, but the horizon, their mental horizon must be enhanced in terms of the philosophical needs or basic needs of a higher education system are concerned. Another way, what an individual is expecting for the improvement of the personality through a higher education system, that should be there in the teacher education system. Therefore, the teacher training system or the teacher education system should be two pronged. The individual should be provided at one hand the teacher education studies, and the other hand higher education studies. Means those things which are concerned with the undergrad level at the bachelor level should also be incorporated into their teacher education programs. This is possible through the extensive research in the teacher education programs and engaging the and enabling the teachers to get involved in the research and the knowledge that is to be applied by them in the later part of their practical life. And this is possible through the to the appointment or the recruitment of the highly qualified teachers and the experienced individuals in the teaching field. Ways to make teaching profession attractive. How we can make the teaching profession attractive? The basic is to improve the status of teaching. In many of the countries, let me give the example of Japan. The teachers is socially, the social status of the teacher is the highest one, and same is in the Central Europe and also in the Turkey education system or the Turkey as a nation. The teacher social status is considered as the very higher level of the social ranks in the society. So improve the status of the teaching, social and the economic point of view and social point of view. The status of the teachers need to be raised. For that, the common professional ethics be maintained, teacher salaries be increased, and effective opportunities for the skill development of the teachers or to the teachers be provided. Ways to making second important step is to make the teachers work environment attractive. One was the improving the status of the teachers, and the second is to improving the work environment of the teachers. For example, in balancing the workload of the teachers, how much classes the teacher should be engaged in a day or in a week. There must be proper student teacher ratio and the sufficient resources be provided, and the effective management, there should be the effective managerial support or managerial coordination and the effective managerial system in the institutions. And the other important is the place is the to place the right person on the right job. Teachers should be given the proper subjects and the proper timings, and that is the basic principle. If the proper person is the given the proper place and the proper right job, then there are the maximum uh, chances of the quality results. Preparing and developing effective teachers by introducing consensus and the flexibility is the basic principle in the teacher education programs. The teacher education program should develop an individual as a teacher, that his personality must be ready to evolve or agree upon with others, with the convincing by another one, or with the argument basis. One should not be adamant, or one should not be the negative, even if internally he is agreeing with the other's point of view. One should be agreeing for the consensus, and therefore one should have the flexibility of accepting the divergent or even the points which are not fitting into individuals' own philosophy, but professionally it is agreed upon. Then one has to accept because of the flexibility. And the other is cooperation and the interactions. This through by developing a teacher education program in which the teacher should have a personality to cooperate with others. The teacher education programs should develop a teacher that the personality of the teacher should cooperate with the other teachers, and one should interact easily with the others. And then the diverse, it is very essential because there are diverse needs of the individual, so as to meet the or match the diversified needs. One should be very flexible and accommodating to each other. This is very important, so that the teacher can switch from one situation to another situation. The regional centers are needed for the improvement of the teachers, retaining the teachers, improving the teachers, and the research culture should also be developed, should also be provided to the teachers. Lifelong learning skills must be developed for the retaining the good teachers, developing the good teachers. Scientific foundations and the content related future practices are the subjects be provided through trainings and the workshops and the seminars, and the theoretical as well as practical aspect should be provided to the teachers. And how to retain the teachers? One is for the retaining the good teachers, one should provide the good work environment and the justified workload of the teachers, and developmental project for the teachers be provided, and good ideas the teachers has the chances to offer and implement the innovative ideas, and the teacher should make the again make may feel easy to make personal decisions in the effective running of the teaching learning process. And there should be the close coordination between the institutions, teachers, and the departments, and the physical resources be provided, and different administrative and the research related tasks be given to the teachers, so as to provide the sense of ownership to the teachers. Offer opportunities for the skill developed to the teachers, so that with the passage of time, with continuous professional development, they must be improving to meet the demands of the everyday coming new situation. For that, one has to conduct, the institution has to conduct the group discussions, and the reflective practitioners, teachers be there and acknowledge unique better performance of the teachers. You must be commending or appreciating the teachers. The teachers must be appreciated for the very remarkable work. We can say for attracting the teachers, the basic need is to raising the status of the teachers, in addition to the many indicators be provided. And the research culture is also essential for the retaining and developing and bringing good teachers in the profession. And the physical resources also play a very pivotal role for the good teachers to be maintained, retained, and developed in an educational institution.